What I'm going to do is a little bit of commentary for all those who are interested, and for those who are not, who fucking cares? First thing I want to comment on, not too long ago, we had gotten this thing in the mail. It's called a church prayer rug. It's a wonderful little thing. On the back, it says, this prayer rug is soaked with the power of prayer for you. Use it immediately, then please return it with your prayer needs checked on our letter to you. It must be mailed to a second home that needs a blessing after you use it. Prayer works. Expect God's blessing. Now, that's all fine and good, but let me tell you something about this rug. It's made out of fucking paper. It's not some kind of, 200-300 thread count special ancient rug. It's not like that at all. Some of the blessings that was on a letter that came with this thing, it was pretty extraordinary stuff. People had, not one, but I guess were blessed with $10,000 or so plus dollars for praying on a paper rug. Now, I don't quite see how that works. It's, as somebody close to me had called it, they said it was a religious chain letter. Yeah, that's that's all I'm going to say about that. I don't know what else to talk about, really. I really just feel like chain smoking at the moment. I'm hoping this thing's recording, because if it ain't working right, and I go to play it back and I don't hear anything, I'm going to be super pissed. We can talk about weather, I guess. It's cold as balls outside. Enough said. What else can we talk about? How about this? This is something I've been contemplating. This is something I'm contemplating. Would I ever work in a porn movie? I don't know, man. That's a lot of ass for one guy to handle. Maybe I just don't have the kind of stamina that's required. It would probably be fun. There's no doubt about that. One thing I've never seen is hiccup porn movies. They don't involve hiccups in a lot of porn movies, and a lot of people are into that. A lot of people I know are into that, in fact. I'm kind of into that myself. And I've never seen anything like that. They would probably make a killing off of something like that. Yeah, that'd be cool. This is severe, hardcore thinking out loud is what this is. These are some deep-ass hiccups, man. This is just from 3 beers, an entire meal from a taco joint. I didn't smoke a taco, but I ate tacos at a taco place. That's what I meant by taco joint. They're extremely hard and extremely deep, just like sex. God bless it. What the bloody hell else should I talk about? I don't think this is going to be one of those hit files. For the record, I'm not a DJ for anybody out there that thinks I am. Some people like to think that I'm a DJ of some sort. I'm not. Some people say I should be, but I don't think I have what it takes, actually. Yeah. I don't know if that's 5 minutes or so. I guess I should have. Yeah, there we go. That's 6 minutes. All right. I'm over the line. That makes me want to go a little further. Keep pushing that extra mile, motherfucker. So yeah, I'll do that. Let's keep going. First, I gotta think of some shit to even talk about. Oh. Yeah. Bud Light. That's what caused these. Bud Light, a big ass king burrito, a taco, and some crackers, I guess, is everything I had. And a lot of smokes. I'm a chain smoking motherfucker. And for some reason, that's kind of like the flint to my lighter. That'll get them going quicker than anything else. I like my job. I have a good job. I work at a CD manufacturing place. Makes CDs and DVDs and all kind of cool shit. The particular department I work in is kind of an office type environment, which is pretty cool because I get to sit on my ass a lot. Of course, that's a good way to grow love handles, which I have a couple of big love handles. For all those out there that like love handles, hey, I'm your man. I've had some shit jobs. I'm sure we all have. My first place was a fast food place, which is actually, coincidentally, the place where I ate tacos this evening. Gotta love that. It was a real shit place to work. I only worked there for about 6 months. Yeehaw. Flipping tacos, as my inbred fucking relative would say. I ain't gonna name names, but this guy's a real fucking inbred hillbilly motherfucker. Oh, I'm kind of horny. Not a lot of people would come out and say it like that, but yeah, I'm really fucking horny. I am ready to get me some ass. Not ass, but, more something along the lines of pussy. If I were gay, then I would say, yeah, dig that ass. Pack that fudge. Yeah. Clean that anus. For anybody that's getting turned on by this, I apologize. That probably was a big turn off just now. What else can I even go on about? This is fucking... I'm rambling, which is kind of the whole point of all this. I am extremely tired. I haven't gotten a whole lot of sleep in the last 2 days. So I'm kind of ready for bed, but I can't go to bed now because I'm extremely horny, as I said a few minutes ago. And I'm not quite ready. I'm going to have to, fuck it. I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Have fun. Take care. Don't hurt yourself when you listen to this. Bye.